Okay, welcome to this module where we'll be talking about generating our human voice. Most of the voices out there are robotic. So I'm going to show you how to create a voice by yourself. A voice that's going to sound exactly like a human being, not robotic. Okay, so we're going to be using 11 Labs. You may have heard about it before. So, but just take your time and watch the video because I want to teach you how to do something with 11 Labs that many people don't know is actually possible. So, first of all, go to Chrome. This is Chrome. So, go to your Chrome browser and then you search for 11 Labs. This is it, 11 Labs. So, this is the website here. Just click on it. So when you click on it, click on this sign up over here. So you click on it. The website is giving me some issues, I don't know. Let's just go with the app. So let me go to Play Store and download the app. So I don't know what's wrong with the website. So let's just use the app. So let me search for 11 labs. This is it. 11 labs. So here's the app here. So let's just download and use the app. Alright, so I've downloaded the app. So let's go with the app. 11 Labs. So let's see. Very good. So I think it's easier. Let's just click on sign in with Google. This is very good. This is easier than using the website. I don't know what's wrong with the website. So let's just go with the app. So let's see how it's going to go. So they asked for our age. Just let you are 18 years old. Like, even if you're not up to 18, just let you are 18 so that they allow you to use it. And then they ask you for how we had about them. Just keep that part. So create with voice changer, just cancel. Very good. So I think the app is even better than the website. So what we want to do is we want to create a new voice. Okay. So we want to create a new voice over here. So we click on create new. So you click on text to speech. Text to speech. Very good. So as you can see, this is their voice right here. So we want to create our own voice. We want to create our own voice. So we cancel this. Alright, let me go back and show you what I did. Click on this their voice. This is their own voice, Brian. So you click on that Brian there. So when you click on Brian, you click on add new voice. Okay, add new voice. We want to create our own voice. So click on add new voice. So free, remember on the free share we didn't actually subscribe to their premium bundle. So we have only access to 3 voices. You can only create only 3 voices here. So I don't know if they've already changed it, but by default it should be just 3 voices, and then you have to subscribe to create more voices. So we're going to click on professional voice clone. Okay, professional voice clone. So that's what we're going to click on. Or better still, let's just leave. This is if you have a voice you want to clone. Let's say you want to clone your own voice so that it will be sounding like you. But the one we are going to use, not this one, is voice design. Because we are not doing it, we are using prompts to create our voice, not our a sample of our voice. So go with this voice design. So you click on voice design. Now describe the voice you want to create. Now this is where we are going to go back to Gemini, and that's Gemini to give us the voice we should use for our narrator. So it should be a deep calm voice. Let's go back to Gemini. So I'm going to tell Gemini to just give me a prompt for 11 labs. 11 labs to create a voice, a professional voice. So you may not copy me word by word, just get the idea. A professional voice for our narrator. Okay, so give me a prompt for 11 labs to create a professional voice for our narrator. So as you can see, this is what it gave us. A professional male voice actor in his late 40s with a deep, rich baritone and a fluent resonant figure. So we just come over here and then we copy. So just follow what I'm doing step by step before you then head over to ElevenLabs and paste it. Actually, it's very simple. Then you click on generate voice. So wait for it to generate. It won't take long. So let's pause the video so the video won't be too long. So our voice has been generated. Let me play the voice so that you will see.
Will, a world sculpted by ambition and the unyielding spirit of humanity.
So as you can see, this is beautiful. So what we're going to do next is to click on continue. So the voice is wonderful. So click on continue. Alright, so we are going to name our voice. So let me just say, okay, let me use my name to name the voice. Let me just say one. Okay. So language should be English, accent, just use anything. So I'm going to use African American, or let me just use right, it's just use anything. So I'm just going to use African American. Then click on apply. So to test it, click on display.
We delve into a tale of empires and echoes, the whispers of history often.
So gender, we just leave all those things. You can even skip. You can even skip. So apply. Just click on finish this place. So just click on it to finish. So gender and age, not necessary. So, but you can actually add it. His age should be 14. It should be 40. Then the gender is male. So, but there's no point adding it. So as you can see now, our voice is successfully added. So this is our voice. As you can see, showing my name here as the voice. So now let's go back. Remember, we've already had. Let's go back to Gemini, and then go to our main scripts. The one we generated. Okay, the one we generated. This is it. So let me copy and go to my notes. So it's going to be easier to separate. So let's just go to my notes and then paste it here. Alright, so what we want to copy is the script for the narrator. Okay, so you can see the first thing here is the narrator. He's saying a king ruled an empire. So copy it. Remember, the normal discussions that the characters are going to do, the video generator is going to do those ones. So, but this is the one our narrator is going to say. So we are going to just copy it, come over to ElevenLabs, and then paste it. Okay, so you click on generate. Click on this generate. So it's going to cost you 124 credits to generate it. So remember, they give you 10,000 credits per month. So from the 10,000, they will just minus 124 credits. So you still have a lot more left. So click on generate. So let's just be patient until it generates it. So it is done generating now. Okay, so let's test the output it gave us and see how it is. So let's play. Just click on this play button over here.
King ruled an empire so powerful that even his enemies feared his name.
So as you can see, it came out perfectly. The voice is wonderful. This is very, very beautiful. So one advantage of doing this, because some people will just go to ElevenLabs and then they use a pre-made voice there. YouTube can flag you for copyright, or it might be flagged for copyright because those voices there might be copyrighted. So, but if you generate it like this, it is going to be natural and it's going to be your own personal voice because you're the one that created it. So it's not going to sound robotic. So once you're done, you click on this icon to download it. So click on it. So just like I said here, so that's still showing me this, but I'm not going to subscribe or anything. So for free, sure, they'll give you credits per month, 10k credits per month. So for those that subscribe, get 121k. So this 10k is enough for us. So once we exhaust it, we just rotate our email and then we continue. So just click on this so that the dialog is going to disappear. Just click on this start. So once they take us to Play Store, you go back. Okay. So the dialog is still here. Wow. So let's see. Alright, so just go back. They will show you this one. 30k credits, one time purchase. Just still go back. Okay. Then click on the download again. So this is what I did. They will show you that subscribe dialog. Just click on just go back until the dialog disappears. So they will say share audio clip, video clip. Just click on this save audio clip. Save. So they asked me to choose the folder where I want to save it. So let me create a folder. Name it ElevenLabs. So it's going to be easier for me to locate. Name it ElevenLabs. Good. Then I'm going to save it in this folder. So as you can see, audio clip saved. So let's confirm that it has already been saved. Let's go to our file manager. Let's browse. Scroll up to ElevenLabs. Let me just search for the folder. ElevenLabs. Okay, this is the folder. So as you can see, this is our voice. So let's play it. Let's use music. Yes. Hello.
A king ruled an
Very good. So as you can see, it played it actually. So that's just how to do it. Okay. So that's how to actually create your voice that is not copyrighted, that will sound professional.